Good afternoon. It's May 24th, 2024, and today we had this. I believe this channel started yesterday. It looks pretty accurate, and we got an overshoot that led to a break. That's what I'm thinking is what happened today. So let's take a look. You know, we did trend up in the overnight, and we're chopping around, making higher highs. And then we have this brief sell-off. Let's see. So 5 o'clock comes about here. I don't think you know there's reasons you could consider going long here, but I don't think you want to. And I see that's where we bounced over here. So um maybe you could consider this one. Looks like a two-legged pullback and a double test. Good signal bar. Same thing here, two-legged pullback, but this signal bar is no good. And this, I mean, this just looks like a range, so I think you want to sit tight here. Sell off, and then we make this higher low right here. So I think you can consider that. We break lower, look at that 4-tick bar, then you get a higher low. So I think you can consider that. And then it breaks, makes a new high. I'm not too sure about these, but I think that one, you can see that level of support right there. And I mean, that is the top of this breakout, this very strong bull bar. So there's reasons to like it. Make a new high. And the only reason I drew this range was because that breakout above this high. So there wasn't really any rhyme or reason to this other than thinking maybe we would hit a measure move, which we did not. So I can probably just delete this. Boom, sell off, bounce. And then it's just a big rally. Gaps over the trend line. And then we get 2 legs of correction. And then we just go sideways for the rest of the day pretty much. So I like this failure in real time, failed second entry short. But I did, and I was swinging this, and you probably should have taken profits right here. I was looking for 5 points, which is like wherever I entered, this came up 1 tick short of that, so I would have 21.75. So I entered, I guess, like right there. And this big bull bar after we've gotten some selling pressure in here. I think it'd be better to take profits on this close when you're that close to the target. And you can see it made this double top, and then you get 2 legs back. Bounce off support again. And now it's very clear that we're in a range, so I don't think you want to take this failed second entry short. And I also had this as like a contracting triangle, so to speak. Really, it ends up, it's just a range, but I mean, that does help sometimes. If you can see prices are bouncing off of these different levels of support and resistance. And it looks like this trend line was a little more important towards the end. You can see we break out to the high side, it fails, and you get a little sell off. And I think if this one closed bearish, I would take it. So, I mean, maybe take that. Yeah, especially because, I mean, if you're playing the range, that's right at the highs of the range. Unfortunately, you just didn't get a good signal bar. I mean, I think you could, if you're playing the range, you could take that one too. Boom, breakout, high or low, maybe you consider this one. Especially if you look at this as a channel, a potential channel, you get an overshoot, but we really didn't get enough touches to know. But there's reasons to like that high or low. And I don't think there's anything after that. So that's the end of the week. I hope everyone had a great week. I'll be back Monday.